Hey guys, welcome back to MinecraftForge modding tutorials. Here on episode 6, we are going to be spawning in one of our blocks. So, since I said that the tutorial block 2 is going to be more like an ore, we're going to go ahead and generate that block. So, on my other mod, I didn't have it in here, but I'm just going to put it in blocks. I'm going to name this world. We can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it tutorial generator. Now, what you have to do for this is implements I world generator. Command to throw to import, then add an implemented method. So that is not even close to being it. So now divider. So go to the line below it and type switch world dot provider dot dimension ID. And then create brackets, and in between those brackets, this is where things start getting good. So now, case 1. Generate end world random chunk x times 16 comma chunk z times 16. And make sure it is end, not ent. And I don't know why, but kind of. So now case 0 generate surface world random hold on. And basically just copy and paste this over. Then case -1 generate nether and that ought to do it. So now we need to create methods. Make sure you start on generate nether because we want them in this specific order that makes it a bit easier to do stuff with. So create method, generate, and delete the stubs, and now generate surface. So what we need to do on this, change int I to int chunk x. Change int j to int chunk z. Copy and paste that into the other methods. just in case we ever want to generate in these dimensions. And that should do it. And then now in the generate surface method, we want to do for. We're going to create a for loop. So actually, here's what everything does. So this, well, what this does is it switches between generate and surface and nether randomly. I don't know. Yeah, it's really weird. But what these do is these methods generate ores in their specific dimension. So what I'm going to do now is create a for loop. For int I equals 0, semicolon, I is less than, and then this will be the rarity of, hold on, wait, let me make sure about that. Yeah, this would be the rarity of the orb. So I'm gonna go with 20 because I don't want to. Because this is a tutorial, I don't want it to be that rare. And then I plus plus. Let's create the method, and let's create brackets, and then we will put int chord x equals random dot next int 16 plus chunk x. And then int chord y equals random dot next int 16. Sorry about that. 16. Semicolon. Then int chord z equals random dot next int 16 plus chunk z. Format. And then we go to new world gen mineable and then block handler dot tutorial block 2 dot block ID, and then comma, and then how many you want per thing. So 12 dot, hold on, new world in mobile. Hold on. That's weird. Dot block ID. Why is it not accepting the 12? Dot. Okay, there we go. I had to import it. Sorry about that. World random chord X chord Y chord Z semicolon, and that's about it. Let me make sure that's it. Yep, that's it. So now we have to register our world gen class in our main mod class. Hold on. Okay. So now to register our world generator class, we have to do a couple of things. So I'm gonna create a whole new class for this. New class registry. Just because I can. Public static void class registry game registry reg. Let's do reg. Change O to import. Change that format. And now game registry dot register world generator, then the name of our class. So new tutorial generator. Mention O to import. Mention that's the format. Now in VG tutorial, class registry dot class registry, new game registry, and voila. Now let's register. Now let's check to make sure everything works. I just realized I'm actually going to create a new world, because it was in a, that was in a chunk I've already been in, so let's create a new world, and then it should be generating. You sure are taking forever. Get a torch. And start drilling down. And alright, we should be there. And there we go. I did have to create a new world. So, see, our new ores generate in massive veins, apparently. And I'm laggy. Okay, lag. Go away now. But, anyways, so we did what I said we would. We spawned our ore. But you know what? You know what? Just spawning our ore in the surface, that just isn't good enough. No, that's just not good enough. We can do better. I've never actually done this before, but I think I'm gonna try. Flint and steel. We're going to generate our block in the nether. Seriously, I've never actually done this before, so I kind of wouldn't know how to do this. So this is basically trial and error. Okay. So let's save and quit the title. Game. Okay, I got it working. Anyways, so yep, it now generates our ore in the nether. I will show you what I had to do. Let me exit Minecraft real quick. And the tutorial generation. So I had to create a whole new class called World Gen Mineable Nether. Instead of normal World Gen Mineable, this makes it so you can actually generate in, well, the Nether. You have to change it to add a comma and a 1 there. Otherwise it's the same. I changed it to 50 so it would spawn more. And here is the class World Gen Mineable. Use extend world generator and you can find the source code on GitHub. So if showing you this doesn't help, you can always go on GitHub and just copy and paste. And just change what you need to change. So anyways. So yeah, that's the World Gen Mineable Nether. So anyways, that's it for today. It's our World Gen class stuff. See you next time.